Practice set 6, problem number 4. Gail put 8,000 miles on her new car in the first 5 months of ownership. At this rate, how many miles will be on her car in 1 year? Because of the fact that we're increasing the time, common sense would only make that the number of miles would increase as well. This is a direct proportion, so we're interested in what the original versus the unknown quantity is going to be. And I'm going to set up the ratio of miles to time to solve this. These ratios will equal one another. And it says in the first part of this problem, Gail put 8,000 miles on her car in the first 5 months. With more time, we would expect more miles, and the question says, at this rate, how many miles? That's our unknown. Is she going to put on her car in 1 year? Well, we have a problem with the fact that our time is not in the same units, and the hint in the problem leads us to changing that. It says to change the 1 year into months. So to be able to solve this proportion, we have to have similar units, and it's far easier to change the year into months rather than 5 months into what part of a year it is. Since there's 12 months in a year, we'll substitute in a 12 in place of the 1 year. Now we have a proportion that we're going to use our cross multiplication technique to solve. We'll multiply the diagonal with the two numbers in it. 8,000 times 12 is going to give us 96,000. Next, we'll take that result, 96,000, and divide it by the value in the other diagonal, which will result in giving us the value of x. 96,000 divided by 5 results in 19,200, which is the value of our x, which would be the number of miles driven in a year's time.